Hey, how's it going? So today I'm going to show you how to use Anki Pro, like a Pro. So basically, what is Anki Pro? This is basically a flashcard app. In here, you can customize flashcards so you can make it to your own fitting. So if you're learning a new concept, studying for a new test, or in this case, you're learning a new language, this is the right app for you. This is very flexible. It works on your phone, on your tablet, or your laptop. So give it a shot. It's free. It works based on the concept of general space repetition. This basically tells you that you can actually be better at something, learn something much faster if you if you give it some segments. Basically, buffer the concepts. So once you learn a concept on the beginning, it'll give you, let's say, a 2 day gap before it brings it back to you. So the brain can start making itself some intervals to basically learn on steps rather than just memorizing and repetition. So let's go to the first concept, the one that I built based on my necessities. So number one talks about basically my pain points, the things that I'm still struggling to learn, words that I'm still don't know how to say it or write it. I basically write it down on a notepad, and those notes I convert them into flashcards. So basically, this day I actually recorded 23 words that I was looking at throughout the entire day. I put it in Anki, and this is the front section. If I click here, this is going to flip it into the rear side, and it'll give me the Catalan version of these words. This is something that you can use on words and phrases. It's very useful. So let's see concept number two. So in here, I'm gonna be talking about the fill in the blanks. This is something that I'm basing out of textbooks. So I have a set of textbooks that I'm still learning for each language, and each concept that I'm still learning, I basically like keeping it in evaluation. Again, the things that I didn't exactly got correct, I put them down in this set of flashcards. So in here, for example, this this phrase, I have it as a fill in the blanks module. So this is going to be as a gap. My job in here is to know what is the answer behind this blue spot. So I'm going to tap it, and this will give me the answer. So this is something that I've been putting not only on my on notes on Anki, but also on many different notebooks, just to get myself more acquainted and assimilate this type of like sentences. Okay, finally, I'm gonna go to the last one. This is basically the my native language towards my target language module set of cards. So what I'm doing in here is that I'm using my native language, Spanish, to have the question, and I'm gonna put it in here in Spanish. And on the rear side or the back side of the card, I'm gonna tap it, and this will give me the target language version of it. So this allowed me to basically not only work with my native language, but also on the many different languages that I'm trying to learn. So this could be even in Spanish, English, Portuguese, and I can even do the same version. This will be in French, and this other section would be in Spanish, as a vice versa type of concept. This is something that I found very useful. Anki has become very fundamental in my journey towards language fluency, and I actually encourage people to download it. It's free. You can pay for it, but in my opinion, the free version goes above and beyond. So give it a shot. Let me know what you think. I left a Substack post on the description, so check it out. I know this will be very useful for you, so consider subscribing to my channel and also subscribing to my Substack. So see you on my post and see you on the next video.